What's Incoloy? Incoloy 33800-825 Incoloy is a family of nickel-chromium-based superalloys known for their exceptional resistance to high temperatures, corrosion, and oxidation. Incoloy 330, 800, and 825 are prominent members of this family, each with unique properties and applications. Incoloy 330, also known as alloy 330, is an austenitic nickel-iron-chromium alloy with high nickel content. It exhibits excellent resistance to carburization, oxidation, and thermal shock at elevated temperatures, making it suitable for industrial heating applications such as furnace components, heat-treating baskets, and fixtures. Incoloy 800 is an iron-nickel-chromium alloy with added elements of aluminum and titanium, offering exceptional strength and resistance to oxidation, carburization, and sulfidation at high temperatures. It is widely used in industries such as petrochemical, chemical, and power generation for heat exchangers, furnace components, and steam methane reformers. Incoloy 825 is a nickel-iron-chromium alloy with added elements of molybdenum and copper, providing enhanced resistance to corrosive environments containing sulfuric and phosphoric acids. It is used in chemical processing, pollution control, and marine engineering for applications such as chemical processing equipment, pickling operations, and marine exhaust systems. These alloys find applications in diverse industries, from high-temperature furnace components to corrosive chemical processing equipment, due to their ability to withstand extreme conditions and exceptional mechanical and corrosion-resistant properties. Incoloy 330, 800, and 825 exemplify the capabilities of nickel-based superalloys in addressing challenges posed by high temperatures, corrosion, and oxidation. Their widespread adoption in industries such as petrochemical, chemical, and marine engineering underscores their significance in enabling efficient and reliable industrial processes. As the demand for high-performance materials grows, the Incoloy family of alloys remains at the forefront, offering solutions to demanding engineering challenges. For more details on the heat-resistant properties of these superalloys and their applications, please visit www.PMISTEEL.com or contact our sales team at sales@PMISTEEL.com. PMI Industry is a professional global supplier in China, specializing in nickel-based alloy bars.